So guys, in this tutorial we are ready to place the furniture layouts. Just go to the furniture layer and the shortcut of this block is Ctrl 2. Move, go back, go to the home, EN data center, home block. Okay, so this is the bed we need sofa, little table lamp, and then we need a dining set. Okay, then go back again, go to this house design block, take bathtub, WC, sink, that's it. Close this. Let's move, take this bedroom, move, simply place here. Okay, and again move this table lamp, put it this side. Okay, copy this, put it here. Okay, move this lamp other side, just little bit adjust towards the wall. Okay, and move this dining set, put it here, put it in the dining box, dining area. Okay, adjust little bit. Okay, move this sofa, take it and place it here. Copy this CO, copy in this room, rotate this, type RO, move, type M, click on this point and click here. Okay, just copy this again, place in this room, put it here, type MI to mirror this, first point, second point, remove the source object, move it, move. Okay, now bathtub, move, put it here. Okay, and rotate this WC, put it here. This is the sink, just move this, place it here, rotate, move, place it here. Okay, and draw the kitchen counter, take one line, simply draw this. Okay, move it here, so your block is placed. Now next thing is dimensioning. Okay, to create one layer, 7th layer is dimension, D again, dimension, change the color white, make it this color number 9, and type is continuous, and the line weight is 20, same as text. Okay, double click to set the current layer, type D, Okay, the architectural tick, the size is 8 inch. Press OK, set current, close. Second type DLI. Click on this point and click this second point. It's not showing, it's showing very small. You can do the setting, modify the text. Go to the fit overall size. Here you put 10. Current, close. It's increasing now. Okay. It's too weak. Modify again. Symbol or arrow. Make it 4 inch. The text size is 8 inch. Here is architectural 1/4. Current, close. It's too big now. I can modify. Go to this feet. Put it 2. Set current, close. See, it's good looking. Now to specify another dimension type DLI. Click on this point, second point. Click here. Okay. Click on this point. This point. Now click here. Click here. And here. Okay. Click on this point. This point. Okay. So dimensioning is ready. We applied the dimension. Now the window and door tags. Simply copy this, put it here. Make it T1. Copy. Place it here. Delete this. T2, T3, T3, D1, D1. So hope you learn the complete architectural plan. So if you learn something from this video, please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and place the bell icon. Thank you very much.